make two words of A to Z. Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn make two words of A to Z. Let's start. A is for apple. And next word is A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat. C is for cat. C is for cap. D is for dog. D is for duck. E is for egg. E is for eagle. F is for fan. F is for fish. Z is for grapes. Z is for gun. H is for hen. H is for house. I is for iron. I is for ice cream. Z is for zip. Z is for joker. K is for king. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nose. Okay, come with O. O is for orange. O is for owl. P is for parrot. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rose. S is for sunflower. S is for snake. T is for tiger. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. V is for van. V is for violin. W is for watch. W is for wolf. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yacht. Y is for yak. And our last one is Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. If you like my channel, please subscribe and